single day. I'm gonna make something.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're watching World War Machine for Tech guys. This is a new update from HP guys. So finally they have launched an 11 inches 11th generation, which is a DR series again. This is 14 inches which full HD IPS anti-glare everything lights. So now quickly see the specification first. So guys, this comes with the i5 11th generation, which is again a good excellent thing. This comes with 1135 G7 and graphics, which is an Intel Iris graphics, which is again with powered by 8 GB of RAM, expandable up to 16 GB of RAM, and with 512 GB of SSD guys, which is an PCI. So this comes with a 14 inches full HD with IPS anti-glare display and all. And about the battery guys, this comes with an 3 cell, which is a 41 watt hours and 65 watts of charger they are providing in this. So guys, this is the laptop which I was talking about, which is the 11th generations. So just look at the overall, like how it looks. It's look exactly like a same version, like nothing is been changed overlook. So same 14 inches IPS display with full HD of webcam with microphone inbuilt over there, and again an HP logo over written here, and then a small keyboard over here, which is like been turned on the backlights over the keyboard, and you can see here the different stickers, I mean different written here, and the logo has been changed of Intel. It's not an like logo changed, this is an updated version. So normal same as an MS Office, which is a Microsoft Home and Student, Intel Core i5, so which is an 11th generation, Intel Iris Xe graphics. So this is the main highlight part of this laptop guys. So overall, if you ask me about the keyboard guys, so this is a normal keyboard, which is an fiber quality thing, and you have an precision pad over here, and then full HD, which is a 14 inches with an IPS display guys. So if you look at the ports guys, so there is a normal the same ports. At the left side you can see an SD slot and along with 2 indicators, and at the right side you can see an one 3.5 mm headphone, 3.5 mm headphone jack, and C type, and then 2 USB and 1 HDMI, and then charging socket. So at the front, so you can see here it's a slim profile. This looks a damn good finishing. So if I overview this here, so again the same speakers has been placed over here. So these are like again a normal DTS speakers. And if you ask me about the quality of keys, so this is like smooth, very soft keys, so which is for official use, and all the basic apps which is Alexa, that all been involved here. Obviously this is an 11th generation, and some of the new apps as we can see here, like your phone, like that. And if you ask me if you want to know about the properties, just right click here, properties. See guys, so this is an i5 11th generation which is written over there, 1135 G7 at 2.40 gigahertz, Windows 10 home single language. This is like common thing, and 8 GB of RAM thing. So if you like, if you want a GPU in this, this is an GPU. Can you see here 3.8 GB? Oh my god, usually normally we don't get this much of GPU memory overall. So some of like I have read in some of the articles in Google that i5 11th generation GPU is more than NVIDIA MX 350 series, guys. Yes, so you can see the proof over here, 3.8 memory GB of GPU. This is fabulous, guys. This is fabulous. And normally you can see here 8 GB of RAM, and how that is being splitted over there. Cache memory like 999 MB, which is 1 GB, equal to 1 GB. And again the GPU, can see the speed over there here, 1.43 gigahertz. And you can also see the how many cores over here, 4 cores, and logical processors is 8, and L1, L2 and L3. So this cache memory has been splitted L1, L2 and L3. So if you want to know about this L1, L2 and L3, just Google in. Can see here again like 2.4 gigahertz and all the thing. And normally the all the 14SS usually comes with an silver part, and this can be again lifted with a very fine, like normal 1.46 kg of laptop, guys. Two huge rubber grippers over here. That's an again a good part. So again in Windows sticker, and here you can see all the product ID and serial number, warranties, these all. So normally the exhaust is over located over here. I have been showed you in some of the products like laptops, which is of HP again. And here you can see the speakers over here, and exactly that's been placed over here near to the display. This is an exhaust, guys. So battery life and all, it's good again, and which is a company claims up to 10 to 12 hours, but on average if we get an average of 6 hours, so this is an again a good hope for customers and all. So now you can see the now you can see the what's the exact how the difference of IPS and a normal display, guys. Let me show you. See here, you can see the exact the thing of IPS display and a normal display. You can see over here the the screen. This is a normal, which is SVA display, and this is an IPS, anti-glare with and bright view. So this is the major difference of IP and a normal display, guys. So just see here from back side, yeah, you can see an exact difference over this. So normally everyone knows that now, like, Microsoft Edge has been upgraded. Yeah, here, so you can see here the picture quality. I'll just show you.
September we met. I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah.
And also you can see listen to the song, like, which is like music. And here you can see the Alexa also. Yeah, so if you open it, you need to log in with Amazon thing. Yes, get started. Can you see the Amazon Alexa? You need to put the password, like login email password, and just log in, so that it will show you the rest of the things. So as of now, this is the, guys. So this is an 11th generation, a new laptop. So for any queries and all, just comment me below. Please share, subscribe. Please press the bell icon for more updates. Jai Hind.